Welcome to Thombali Culture Fusion. Hello friends, in this video we are especially showing from Tarragona. Tarragona is a Roman entered city. Of course, before Christ, 3000 years before Christ, this foundation is Tarragona was a Roman empire. So now we are standing the old entrance of the Roman city in Tarragona. So there are famous Roman culture, Roman buildings are there. So we are going to explore the beauty of Tarragona in this video. Hope you will like it. Okay. Hello friends, now we are near the wall of Tarragona. That means in olden time the city was protected by wall. So still this wall is prescribed like this. So now of course in the outside it's a total Tarragona, but I am telling this was the Roman city here in Tarragona. So it was protected, the entire city was covered by a huge wall. So still this wall is prescribed as it is. So you see how strong, how it is built. The big stones they have made this. As we are seeing in this video, they are cleaning the roads. Of course, in every Europe we can see the clean the road and the street. Of course, everywhere we see the cleaning, but they wash the roads. That is a new culture for us. Of course, in our land we may not able to see like this cleaning. That shows they keep the roads and the street always neat and tidy. It's a good culture. Hello friends. You see how beautifully they have made the road. It's not road, people can walk. But how see the stones they have arranged in a special way to decorate the path. It's very nice, very beautiful. See this. So hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe this channel for other videos. Okay, bye.